Reach their destinations, these commuters in Peshawar are growing increasingly frustrated with the government's gas management plan. The gas load shedding schedule has made it almost impossible for vehicle owners to fill their cars, thus rendering them completely immobile. But it is not just motorists that are suffering. The frequent suspension of natural gas in the city has made it impossible to even cook food at home. Local consumers say that what is even more frustrating is the fact that they still have to pay heavy bills despite the fact they have very little access.
बिल आते रहते हैं बड़े बड़े 4-4 हज़ार 3-3 हज़ार के गैस तो है ही नहीं सिर से हम दिन ब दिन लोग तरक्की करें हम पीछे ज़माने में जा रहे हैं 100 सदी पीछे जा रहे हैं.
The trickle-down effect has also affected the prices of other essential commodities. The shortage of gas has caused the price of LPG to skyrocket.
अब कलूल बेचते हैं दर पर दर कलूल ये गैस के पीछे फिर 100 रुपए किलो मिलता है 1 घंटा भी काम नहीं करता है.
There are several businesses in Peshawar which depend on the uninterrupted supply of natural gas. But as gas is not available for several hours a day, many of these businesses have been forced to downsize or even wind up. As a result, several people who were able to earn a decent living have now been rendered jobless.
गैस नहीं है, बिजली नहीं है, सारा दिन हम बेरोजगार बैठे हैं, काम वगैरह नहीं है, महंगाई दिन पर दिन बढ़ती जा रही है, हम तंग आ चुके हैं ऐसी ज़िंदगी से.
और यहाँ पे तकरीबन 18-16 बंदे हमारे साथ काम कर रहे हैं, सारा दिन वो फिर रहे इधर उधर. तो ये हुकूमत ने क्या मसला बनाया है. उसने कहा था कि ये लोड शेडिंग हम ख़त्म करेंगे 2010 में, लेकिन अभी तक वो लोड शेडिंग उसने ख़त्म नहीं किया, मजीद उसने बढ़ा दिया.
Although hundreds have poured onto the streets to protest against gas load shedding, locals say the government is turning a deaf ear to their pleas. Many of them feel that if a proper system is not installed to ensure the uninterrupted supply of natural gas, basic survival might be a problem. Mumtaz Bangash, Dawn News, Peshawar.